Welcome to Fun Place.
Welcome back, guys. It's Fun Place. Today we're gonna have fun with this Imaginarium Motorized Marble Race. Let's begin by turning on the marbles elevator. Let's start with these marbles. Let's set them right here and watch them go up. Marble. Let's start with the yellow. Now let's do the green one. Try the blue one. Now let's try red. Marble. Alright guys, that's it for this time. If you enjoyed our video, please give us a big thumbs up. And if you're not a member, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.